Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Design with TCD. My name is Tamoi. I'm happy that you are here. Please like, share, and subscribe. And today we'll be adapting the Sapphira bridal gown pattern to create the pattern for the Sapphira bridal gown that is shown right here. The only major difference is the center front and the skirt. So I'm going to be showing you how I use the pattern that I made for the Sapphira bridal gown to create the pattern for this bridal gown. I hope you understand what I'm saying. They're sisters, so their names are similar. Thank you. I will ensure to link the Sapphira bridal gown pattern tutorial in the description box below so that you can have an idea what this video is based on, and so that you can also draft your basic front and the back bodice blocks. So these are just a list of the tools and materials that I usually use to create patterns. I didn't use some of them like the stapler and the glue, but I use the others to ensure that my patterns are up to par. I hope that this video is informative and it will give you an idea of how you can adapt one pattern to create another one rather than drafting a different pattern for it. If it's similar, then it can be adjusted, it can be adapted to create another design. Okay, I hope that you will stay until the end of this video and enjoy. And here we have our adapted center front patterns in two pieces, and here I'm showing you that it is the same side and side pattern pieces we will use for the Sapphira gown. We will also use the back patterns and the sleeves and the cuffs. Basically, we will use everything else other than the center front piece. The skirt pattern is a full circle skirt, and if I were to drop that, it would take a whole lot of slipper. So I'm not going to do that, but I will put it on the actual fabric that I'm going to use to make the dress. The band as well, it is not hard, so while I'm constructing the dress, I will ensure to explain a bit on how I did that. Here is a reminder of the Sapphira bridal gown, which is the sister gown of the Sapphira gown, right? And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And I hope that you liked it. I hope that it was informative. I hope that you will share it and comment and let me know what you guys think. And see you next time. Bye.